We're gonna head straight down this way. It's nighttime. It's Saturday, about 10:30. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. There's a fortress up there. Sapala Ruins, which is major tourist attraction. Saturday about 9:30. This is not a nightlife area, and it's also a COVID era, but there's still a lot of people around. Actually, there's a lot of tourists from the mainland now, so they're allowed to come in and as tourists. So we're just gonna slowly walk down. Let's see. Okay, so that's IKEA right there. That yellow building is the IKEA building. This kind of, it's a fortress up there in Sapala Ruins. So we're just going to be walking straight down this way, and you can get a feel for. There's all the buildings to the side. That used to be a colonial building too. The left one to the side, but it's but now it's IKEA bought it. No, sorry, Uniqlo. So Uniqlo bought this historical colonial building. I know they have Uniqlo products in there. Lots of people will come sit out here. We're gonna walk straight down it. So yeah, that's Sapala Ruins. I think this is Rua de Sapala, I believe. We'll walk it and we'll see his sign, and then I'll label it accordingly. And you got some colonial steps, a road that goes all the way down. It's kind of bumpy if you're on and some motorcycles. There's the Sapala Ruins right there. That's where the Uniqlo building is. So we're gonna keep on walking down. Okay, so it's Saturday night about 9:30 probably. There's tourist stuff here, so you'll see lots of tourist things, pharmacies. I don't know why, but the pharmacies are real popular for the mainland tourists, and so are the shoe shops, I guess. The shoe shops are everywhere, but pharmacies are everywhere too, but I think for some reason they're heavy in the tourist area, so we'll see. And bakeries, pasteleria. There's a pharmacy right there. Let's see, I think this is called Rua de Palha, I think. Might just label it as such, if I can see. That's the name of it up here. So some shops open. Those are quite popular there. So we're gonna keep on walking down. We're gonna look for a street sign. I think it's called Rua de Sapala because it's Sapala Ruins. Yeah, I think it's Rua de Sapala. So yeah, you can just keep on meandering. There's Grand Lisboa Casino straight that way, which would take you at least 15 minutes to walk there. That's where we just came from. So we just came directly from Sapala Ruins, which is about a 5-minute walk maybe. I think that was about 5 minutes, maybe less. And here's our street right here, Rua de Sapala, right there. Some nice colonial buildings over here too, and also a nice temple as well right there. Really nice temple. So okay, Rua de Sapala. Straight that way. Okay, so hope you like this one, and I think we're gonna end it right here by this Rua de S sign.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.